Hi everyone, hope you're well. Just wanted to take this opportunity to show you our SchuF Cam-Set Line Blind solution. I've got one here that's going through the workshop today, so just thought it'd be good to do a quick video. Traditionally, when engineers and sites are trying to isolate plant or actually blind lines, they generally have two flanges where they undo all the bolts, they will spread the pipework, put a piece of plate in or a spade, close the flanges back together and bolt back up, which inherently stops the flow of gas or liquid or whatever it is down the pipe. There's a few problems with that. One is that it's sometimes difficult to get all the bolts out, especially on very big flanges, so 14 inch, 20 inch, 24 inch. That can be quite difficult to get all the bolts out. When you actually spread the line, it can be quite difficult, and it also puts stresses on the pipework, which can cause problems further downstream or upstream. The plate may be missing, it may be hard to find, somebody may have misplaced it, so it's not always available to do the blinding process because you haven't got the equipment. So the SchuF Line Blind actually solves that problem for us. So it comes as a cartridge piece which we put into the line, so it can be flanged or it can be weld ended. It can be welded into the line or put in using the flanges. And then basically there's nothing else to do, there's no more bolts to undo or anything like that. So as you can see here at the moment, we can see the spade, so the actual blind is open. So if you can see down the bore there, you would get full flow through the cam set. To operate the cam set, we basically turn the hand wheel. We then lift and rotate the plate. And then lock back into place using the hand wheel. So there's no flow now down through the cam set. And we know that it's in the closed position because we can see the hole in the plate. That's great if you want safety. You can look up the pipe, you can see the hole in the plate, you know the line is isolated and you know you're safe. We can fit a locking mechanism on here, so anybody doing work downstream could actually put a padlock on there and make sure it remains in the closed position. So it's a really safe way of knowing whether you're okay to do the work. I'll just put it back into the closed position. So we take the reverse, we undo the hand wheel, we lift the plate, we spin, and then we lock back into place, and the pipe is okay again, and the process can get back up and running. So I just thought I'd do you a quick video just to show you the SchuF Cam-Set Line Blind solution from Valve and Process Solutions. Thanks for watching.